How much did Mum leave, Philip?
42,000 to each of 6 adults and 6,000
So roughly,
to 10 grandchildren.
Wait for a second. Roughly, we're talking about £250,000 in total in the estate.
Something around that, yes.
Something around that. There was a specific provision in the will for grandchildren. What was that provision, China? Do you know?
I think after everything had gone through, we got 6,498 something.
Roughly. Worked out once he deducted the fee.
About 6,500.
£6,500. Now, how do you know that that was the amount that you will receive?
We got some letters from Phil once he'd obviously taken everything into consideration. We've got 2 letters, one before and one after.
Let's see the first letter, please. Now, I want to be clear. The amount here is £6,500. You have agreed, for the purposes of this claim, to restrict your claim to the court maximum, which is £5,000.
Yes.
Are you satisfied and prepared to accept my ruling, however I do rule in this matter, to that sum?
Yes.
There's a letter here. This is a letter from you, Philip. It says, according to the will of your late mother, all monies due to any of her grandchildren cannot be given to them until they reach the age of 21 years. That's now.
Yeah.
Therefore, this and all payments will be put aside into a suitable savings account and will be handed over to you as soon as practicable after your 21st birthday. What this is a declaration, in effect, that there is a trust. And the trust is kept in your name for your purposes, but you can't get it until you're 21. Now, who is the trustee of this money? Let's assume, for argument's sake, this is not a difficult question. Neither is it a trick question.
OK.
I feel like you're at some sort of inquisition. You're not. You don't need to phone a friend or ask 50-50. When I ask you who is the trustee of the money that has been stipulated to be left to China...
Well, I think the answer to that one is I am.
Very good!